mega projects and mega potential, Jamaica's economic transformation under the JLP. Hey everyone, it's Skywalker again. Welcome to my channel where good coffee makes bad people feel bad, but it's not a bad thing. Let's call out some good stuff in this moment without fear of contradiction from those that love to spread useless propaganda. At some point, there has to be a day when we can call out the positives. I mean, the abundant positive changes that are coming to us under the leadership of the Honorable Dr. Andrew Holness without having to untangle with adverse political sentiments steeped in propaganda that comes from the other side. Why can't we just appreciate the good stuff? It doesn't even matter who is running the country. Why shouldn't we appreciate the positives? We live for the good things, man. We live for the good things in life. Why can't we just appreciate them in peace? Jamaica is undergoing a transformation, and the Jamaica Labour Party, the JLP, led by Prime Minister Andrew Holness, is at the helm of this ambitious journey. With a series of mega projects underway, the island is poised for significant economic growth and development. These projects represent more than just infrastructure. They symbolize a vision for Jamaica's future, a commitment to progress, and a belief in the potential of its people. Prime Minister Holness recently declared that Jamaica is experiencing its strongest economic since independence. This bold statement is backed by key indicators that reflect the country's economic resilience and stability. In other words, his statements are true, unquestionably so, and that's a positive that Jamaicans must appreciate. Let us not be ungrateful to God just to suit an opposing politician who doesn't care whether we prosper. All they care about is gaining power at all costs. Then they can wipe out our business community like FINSAC. Mhm. That's all they care about. Unemployment has reached a record low of 3.5%, down from 13.7% in 2016. I said it's a record and a positive to appreciate. It is a Jamaican achievement. So give thanks for it. Why depend on politics to decide on whether we can give thanks for all our victories, regardless of who is leading us to these milestones? Fire burn bad mind for true. Fire burn bad mind, isn't it? Yeah, man. Fire burn bad mind. Youth unemployment, once a staggering 32%, has dropped to 11%. Inflation has been controlled, averaging just 5.5% per year, the lowest since 1972. The Jamaican dollar has experienced the lowest average depreciation in the country's history, and the net international reserves have surged to a record US 5.5 billion. I mean, it's a record. So why the tripping? Why tripping? Hmm? What do you get from boycotting Jamaica's success for someone who invests his FINSAC gains extorted out of struggling Jamaicans in the Bahamas? Huh? This is no propaganda about no damn 3 trillion missing. This is the truth about Mark Golding benefiting from the destruction of our people. Now he comes to tell you that free house nang give it. Ono lick on head, huh? Ono lick on head, or something like that, right? The JLP's achievements set the stage for the mega projects currently in progress. They are not just about building roads or facilities, they are about building a future. From infrastructure development to energy initiatives, these projects are designed to drive growth, create jobs, and enhance Jamaica's global competitiveness. And when you see things rolling out, don't let them tell you that it is no darned election buyout strategy. That's what they plan to do, and that's what they're gonna tell you. No government can buy out an election at any stage by simply doing its work, if even at the last day before the election. Things take time to turn, much less to ripen. The mega fixings that you are going to see coming up on the horizon was being slowed down by the many challenges, including COVID and the hurricanes. So just give thanks that it turned and ripe before the end of the JLP's present 5 year mandate. Let's appreciate the fact that Andrew Holness has worked his magic well to see us succeed even in adverse weather. Give the man his credit and fireborn bad mind. Fireborn bad mind. Mm-hmm. Fireborn bad mind. These mega projects are a vision for progress. The government's focus on strategic investments signals a clear commitment to long term economic stability. These projects include major infrastructure developments such as highways, ports, and urban renewal initiatives, as well as investments in renewable energy and technology. Each project is a piece of the puzzle contributing to a larger vision of a modern, thriving Jamaica. For example, the expansion of transportation networks aim to improve connectivity across the island, facilitating trade, tourism, and access to opportunities. Renewable energy projects are paving the way for a sustainable future, reducing dependence on fossil fuels and lowering energy costs for businesses and households. Urban renewal initiatives are revitalizing communities, creating spaces that foster economic activity and improve quality of life. With elections on the horizon, the timing of these projects raises important questions to some people. So, if you will, answer these questions in the comment for me. Will they come on stream in time to showcase tangible benefits such as job creation, improved infrastructure, and enhanced quality of life? If so, they could bolster Prime Minister Holness' position in the elections, reinforcing his image as a leader who delivers results. However, if the impact is delayed, the narrative may shift, leaving room for skepticism and criticism. Again, bad mind critics may argue that these projects are an election ploy designed to sway voters with promises of progress. But let's consider the broader picture. Here is the Skywalker's take on it. The JLP government has consistently pursued pro growth policies, and these projects could be seen as the natural progression of that vision. Whether voters perceive them as strategic planning or political maneuvering will depend on how the government communicates its intentions and delivers results. Is it a natural design or political strategy? Huh? The answer only begs the question. Is it what you asked for? If so, there is nothing else to it. The thing is being delivered, right? right? You love complicate things too much, people. Don't complicate it. Be simple. Again, the redundant question, are these mega projects the result of a natural design, a culmination of years of planning and investment, or are they a calculated political strategy? The answer must only lie in the result. There can be no other factor, can there? Either the service was delivered or it was not. The JLP government has demonstrated a commitment to economic growth and stability, and these projects align with that trajectory. Their timing and visibility during an election period can be ignored in order to concentrate on whether the government delivered. That's the question. You don't have any other question after a 5 year period. Regardless of political implications, one thing is clear. These mega projects have the potential to reshape Jamaica's economy. They represent a vision of progress, a commitment to growth, and a belief in the island's potential. As we sip our coffee and reflect on these developments, let's give credit where credit is due. The road ahead may be long, but the foundation being laid today is one that future generations will thank us for. Jamaica stands at a crossroads with the JLP government leading the charge toward a brighter future. The mega projects underway are more than just physical developments. They are symbols of hope, progress, and resilience. Whether they come on stream in time to influence the elections or are seen as part of a natural design, their significance cannot be overstated. As we continue to explore the stories that shape Jamaica's journey, let's celebrate the strides being made and the potential they hold for our beloved island. Like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned as we keep lifting the light of Jamaica, one story at a time, or at least think on these things, my people. Peace out.